Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to delete your repository in GitHub. So let's get started. First thing, just go to github.com and to the left we'll be having all our repositories listed. If you don't find this, you can just click on your profile and select your repositories. Here also we will be having all our repository. You can just click on the repository which you want to delete. After this, to the top you will be having this settings icon. Click here and you need to scroll down till the last, and we are having this danger zone thing. I don't know why they have named this way, and here we will be having delete this repository, and also think twice before deleting it, because once you delete it, it cannot be undone. So just click on delete this repository and click on I want to delete this repository and just select this. So we need to just type this particular text inside this box, so you can just click and copy this and paste it and just select delete this repository. And we also need to enter the password, and if I just refresh, so I don't have any repositories. I had only one which I deleted now. So that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.